Hi.
To start with the recipe, first,
Take
1 cup of rice and rinse it thoroughly in a bowl. This step is crucial because it removes excess starch, which can make your rice sticky. You'll know you've rinsed it enough when the water runs clear. A common mistake is to skip this step, so make sure to rinse well. If you don't have a strainer, you can use a lid with small holes to drain the water. Next, add the rinsed rice and 1.5 cups of water to your electric steamer. This is where the magic happens, as the steamer will cook the rice evenly. If you don't have an electric steamer, a regular pot with a tight-fitting lid can work, but you'll need to keep an eye on it. The trick is to ensure the water level is just right, so the rice cooks perfectly without burning. Now comes an important step. Set your steamer to cook for about 20 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the rice looks fluffy and has absorbed all the water. If you're using a pot, listen for a gentle simmering sound, which indicates the water is boiling. Pay attention here to avoid overcooking, as this can make the rice mushy. Finally, it's time to serve the rice. Fluff it gently with a fork to separate the grains, and you'll see how perfectly cooked it is. The rice should be soft but not mushy, with each grain distinct. A trick I've learned over the years is to let it sit for a few minutes after cooking, which helps the texture. Enjoy your perfectly steamed rice. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.